Just to be safe, the first order of business, copy the bones. While Stromer described all of his bones by hand, Nazar and team use a CT scanner to digitize theirs in, bone by bone, producing a three-dimensional picture accurate down to a fraction of a millimeter. Back in the lab, paleo artist Tyler Keeler then manipulates the hundreds of files and begins assembling a virtual Spinosaurus.
We have just now moved into the digital age for dinosaur reconstruction, in the sense that you can go literally from a bone to a digital model of the bone to a digital skeleton, which you can simplify enough that you can make it move, you can make it walk, you can ultimately put skin on it.
The skeleton is about 40% complete. A surprisingly high number compared to most specimens.
Daddy.